Everyone, welcome back to our videos. And sikat. Yan, siya nag-drive na yan. So she'll pick me up at the station. And then we're gonna pay the parking. Do you have coins?
I think so.
May appointment kami ngayon to get our COVID vaccine.
To the vaccine?
Anyways.
I have only 2.
Oh, that's too long.
Let's see.
Try, because it might be cheap. Oh, it's 10 cents. 2 minutes per 10 cents. That's $1. Is it not?
Oh.
We're gonna be here more than 5 minutes. I think we have coins dun sa isa. Okay, so we found these ones. Probably 30 minutes will be good. This is not enough. This is 15 minutes. 15 minutes.
15 minutes?
Yeah.
Do you think that's enough?
Do we not have $1?
It's $2.
No dollar?
There's also...
Okay. That's fine, I guess. 17 minutes? Okay. Hopefully that's okay. 16 minutes. Alright. Let's go.
Sabi ko, ang galing ko ang parallel. So proud of myself.
Okay. Dito tayo pupunta sa...
Pharmacy.
Ay, may singputang, oh. Diba gusto mo yan?
Yes.
And we're gonna go there probably after. But we gotta go get our COVID vaccine. COVID vaccine first. Yeah, we're now waiting next to the birth control stuff. We're done. We have to wait here for 10 minutes. No, but it was so quick. This cat, she's done too. So fast. We got Pfizer. Tapos na kami sa aming vaccine.
COVID vaccine.
Tapos na kami sa COVID vaccine. We've done 4 shots. Party, party. Punta muna tayo dito sa Singputang.
Shake-putang ba tayo or pumunta muna tayo ng fish oil?
Sa Costco nga, fish oil, diba?
Kakain ka ba?
Siguro hotdog sa Costco.
Yun lang?
Yeah, that's cheap. Okay, bili mo na kami ng Singputang. Taro milk tea, please, with pearls.
Milk tea with pearls?
Yeah, the brown sugar pearls, the regular.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yan na may pangkat ko kasi baka bukas. Gusto na.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. That was so fast.
Cute. Yeah, let's go. Ayan, ano. Like, everything is falling apart. Like, my sweater is falling. Okay, let's go. Wow, look at this. Taro milk tea. And then you got the original? Signature. Is that the one that you said you wanted? Okay, cool. So here we are. Now we're gonna go to Costco.
We are now going to Costco. Gusto ko bumili ng tonkotsu guys na yung maramihan sa Costco. Yun lagi naming binibili. Ngayon parang nagka-crave ako ng sabaw. Ano mo So, sige, nagda-drive ngayon kasi ako nag-drive kanina. Sinundo ko siya sa station. But, mamaya. Oh my God!
Mga kababayan, nandito na po tayo sa...
Kababayan.
Nandito na tayo sa Costco. You know their theme song here? Here at Costco, we got it all for you.
Marinig ka ng SM.
SM, I'm just joking. Also, we're not even in the Philippines. It doesn't count. Anyways. It's time to go. Aga din magkukulong ng Costco ngayon. It's a Friday.
Ay, oras.
I think ano siya? Eh?
Oras. Nagustuhan ko lang to.
Be right back. Okay guys, nandito na po tayo sa Costco. Let's just go inside. I kind of want to eat first. Can we eat first?
Huh?
Can we eat first?
Sure.
Okay. It is so cold. Here, we're gonna eat first. So, wait a minute. There's our order. There's our receipt. There's Kat's order, and then there's mine. Ayan si Kat, naghahanap siya ngayon ng fish oil. Okay, this is all we're buying. Tonkatsu and
Fish oil.
fish oil. Alright, everybody, mga kababayan! Mga kababayan namin dyan! Where are you guys? Do I sound like Karen Davila? Where are you guys? Diba? Sounds like
Di talaga!
mga kababayan!
Sige pa.
I don't know what to say. You tell me what to say and I'll say it.
Hindi ko alam eh.
Mga kababayan! Kamusta kayo dyan? I think I sound like it. Anyways, pauwi na kami guys. Sikat na yung mag-drive because I'm gonna play my Pokemon Go. So that also means that I will talk to you later. Bye! Hello, you're now back. Guess who's back in the house?
Guess who's back?
Back again. So it's been a couple of hours since, but when we got home, it was really cold in here kasi malamig na talaga ngayon. Ngayon nag-start yung maulan na weather outside.
Yeah,
Parang
and
hindi naman all day umulan pero umambon all day.
all day din super gloomy ang
True.
weather dito.
Siguro naging sunny for maybe 10 minutes.
Mga good.
Yeah. Or an hour siguro. No? Something like that.
Hindi ko na notice.
Parang
pero kasi
2 p.m. medyo sunny. But yeah, yun nga. Ganito talaga yung weather ngayon pag papasok na yung winter. Nagsa-start na siyang dumilim. Tapos paunti-unti into the winter. Wala na talaga yung sun. And then if you look at our forecast for this week and the next week for the 10-day forecast,
it's gonna be so rainy.
oh my gosh, every day is rain, every day is just cloudy, except for Sunday. Sunday, ano naman, walang rain, I think currently, but there is clouds.
Yeah, so kaya tinatawag ang Vancouver na
Vancouver! Yeah.
Kasi
And then,
laging maulan dito.
True. So, kanina nga, as I was saying, na pag-uwi namin, ang lamig dito sa apartment kasi hindi pa namin inon yung heater na floor heater. Kasi, hindi naman siya yung mag-heat ng floor. Parang, kita niyo yung nasa corner. Kasi malakas sa kuryente yun pag yun yung inaano namin. So, itong stand heater ang ginagamit namin dito sa apartment. Kasi it's it's warmer right away. Maliit lang naman tong place. And then, dun sa bedroom, hindi na namin gumagamit ng anything kasi
Ayun,
gusto ko ng sobrang lamig pag natutulog ako.
Totoo. Parang 2 season ang kwarto namin, actually.
I mean, ang house.
Ang house. Kasi,
It's summer here most of the time. If we're home, it's warm in here, like comfortable warm. Tapos pagpasok mo ng bedroom, parang manginginig ka. Parang fridge na siya.
totoo, like literally talaga.
Yeah, I am a demogorgon. Diba yun?
Hindi naman ako nanonood nun. Ikaw siguro.
Stranger Things?
Demogorgon, yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, so yun nga, since we got home, kumain sikat ng noodles. Tapos, uminom ka na ba ng ano?
Fish oil?
Hindi.
Ano?
Tylenol.
Hindi pa ako uminom ng Tylenol. Mamaya pa pagkatulog.
Inom siya ng Tylenol kasi natatakot siya na masama yung pakiramdam niya bukas. Tapos, we've been watching TV or mga vlogs for
since kanina
for
pa.
some time. Ngayon, ang pinapanood namin si Yondi at saka, ayun, wait lang. Yan. Kita niyo ba? Yan, si Dion Estuesta if you wanna watch. And then, I don't know, maybe I'm wearing a onesie right now. And then I think after this, we're just gonna chill for the rest of the night. Ano oras na ba?
Aga pa.
8:40. Alam nyo, pag Friday, parang ang aga namin nakakatulog.
Totoo.
Tapos pag weekday, parang mga 9. Ano oras na? 9 na pala. Pero ngayon parang bagal naman ang oras.
Siguro dahil na-squeeze na yung buong week namin, tas Friday, parang na-feel namin na, oh my God.
Siguro.
Pagod pala. Pero kaninang umaga, medyo
Na-late sikat sa
ngarag
paggising niya.
tayo.
Yeah. But hanggang dito na lang, I guess. Tomorrow, it's Friday pala ngayong araw na video namin to. So, by the time you watch this, it's not gonna be Friday anymore. It's probably been a couple of days. But then tomorrow, Saturday, marami kaming ganap. I'm gonna try to film a lot of it.
Marami kaming ganap. Hopefully, maayos yung ganap namin bukas.
True. Hindi kasi sa umaga. Kasi may gusto kong i-volunteer. So, I have this meeting for tomorrow morning. Tapos, afternoon, may appointment ako sa naturopath. Magpapa-IV treatment. Kemelu. Sure ba? Ako.
Kimberly.
And then
we'll be meeting our friends in the afternoon.
Yeah, we're gonna be doing an escape room sa Richmond, and then we're gonna be doing dinner in Richmond. But it sounds like it's going to be an early night because I can't eat past 7. So we're gonna be eating pretty early, and then siguro adjourn na after that.
Yeah, siguro, pero don't worry, lahat ng yun na pupuntahan namin or lahat yun na gagawin namin, isasama namin kayo.
True. And it might not be what's happening, so I don't know. We don't know. Yeah, well, anyways, we'll just see tomorrow.
Magiging busy talaga kami bukas. So,
Yeah.
syempre, update pa rin namin kayo.
Okay, well, I guess that's it.
Good night, everyone! Thank you, everyone, so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe sa mga bagong nanonood sa amin ngayon. And sa mga bagong subscribers namin, maraming salamat sa inyo. And
Kim Ka, Buhay, Vancouver. Kim Ka, Buhay, Vancouver.
gagawin namin yung jingle.
Kim Ka, Buhay, Vancouver.